Assalamu alaikum. So in this short tutorial we will learn how to download Kdenlive, one of the open source video editor software. So first of all you need to go kdenlive.org and just press this download button. Now it will take you a new page where it will show you the version number and the relevant download option. So here I am using Windows and we have two options. So I'm just downloading the standalone version so later I can extract it and save it for later use. So after pressing this standalone button you will get this the application, the exe file with the size of around 90 MB. So now let's open this up and it will ask you to extract to the path. So you can put it to anywhere. Currently I'm using the Steam directory for extraction. Let's extract it. It will take a while. And then open this, and here you can see that we are unable to find Kdenlive XD because it's located inside the bin folder. So just go to Kdenlive and you will find this here. And if I open this up, you can see that my editor is loading. So it's one of the free, simple to use software. And now if I can also send it to my desktop, so then later I can use it from here. And you can see that it's open. So it's super simple to download and install. Thanks for watching.